Here we are, me and Zed. I'm watching him play this great new game called Star Citizen.
I've spent millions of dollars, and I am space pilot.
$100 million, people. 100 million.
Woo!
$100 million.
This is what you get for $100 million.
This is what you get. This is what happens when Todd Howard doesn't design your game. No,
And
dude,
again, people, it just works.
on all levels except physical, it just works. Yeah. Oh
Hi, Port Olisar. Hi.
boy. Oh, your feet are spinning too.
I know. Isn't it great?
Uh, you are the lord of the fucking dance. You're the lord of the dance.
I
Alright.
just love how serious he is. I can't stop spinning now.
I doubt you can. No. You can't
Um,
you can't stop this. Can you stop looking around? Can I just see your hands flip? There we go.
I'm trying. I can't stop spinning though. Oh God, just so much victory.
uh, this is what happens when you beat the game. Oh, it stopped.
I don't know what happened.
No.
Oh.
Whoa. Whoa. Alright, that's probably enough, guys. Me and Zed will make a video soon, hopefully, besides this. So hold on to your butts. Cuckle up, kids.